Alright, we are waiting for the bell tower to ring. It is currently 11:58. I'm not quite sure how close my clock is to that clock. Our bell tower is the tallest bell tower in Indiana. It also rings every 15 minutes. And it's pretty awesome. So we're gonna sit here and wait for it to ring. It's really pretty. I rather enjoy our bell tower. It's also nice and sunny today, the high of 83 today, as the Weather Channel says. How still can I hold the camera? We shall find out. There we go! I was going to do that 12 times, so we're going to stop here.